With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
Car keys. I think when you get to a certain age in life, you spend your whole time looking for your car keys.
You always do.
Anyway, good morning. It's Saturday. We didn't neglect to do any filming yesterday. We did some filming, but we couldn't do an introduction to the video on the Friday, so it's had to be the Saturday because we were just so busy. What did we do yesterday that we can fill people in on?
I bought Seville oranges ready to make marmalade, because it's marmalade time. And we've already got orders, and we haven't even made it yet.
No, good sign, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really
We did it
good
last
sign.
year, if you remember, and it was good. It was really popular, wasn't it?
Yeah. We also bought the ladders in. So I've got some ladders at home. Been trying to get the ladders here for ages, and the only way I could do it was ratchet strapping it to the roof of the van. And it only just fitted in the shelter, didn't it?
Just about.
And the reason I brought the ladders in is to put some lights up, because we want to get some of those lovely sort of glowy lights in the barn that we're in. And when people drive past, it looks really, really attractive. And it also, this time of the year, it's very, very dark in the mornings, isn't it? We can't see.
7 o'clock in the morning, it's pitch black here. There's literally no light at all.
No. Nothing. So we might get a chance to do something today. Saturday is our busiest day, but the weather's pretty atrocious today. It's a bit of a rerun really of last Saturday, and we were quiet last Saturday. So if we are quiet, we can utilise that time to put these lights up, which then means that we haven't got to come down in the week when Trace is busy baking to fit the lights then. So sort of try and sort of scrape some usefulness out of that bit of spare time if we get any. But if it's anything like yesterday, we won't have 5 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Well, the gate's open. I'm going to put the sign out.
Wait for people.
Yeah, I'll show you how bad it is, the weather, because all the poor people around here are flooding quite badly, aren't they?
Yeah, always floods in Tewkesbury.
Yeah. Right, I'll put the sign out.
See you later.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like
Got one set of lights up. I'm going to put another set up now.
you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you.
Good morning, Sunday morning.
It's cold.
It's cold,
Really cold today.
Good bit of news though. Yesterday went really well as well as it could be. We had a half busy day, and I also managed to get the lights done as well. So, what a result!
You can see now, can't we?
Yeah.
Looks nice. Yeah.
We've had some gate crashes already. We've already served some customers, and we're not even open yet, so that's a good sign. We just had our second customer in of the day, and what did she say?
She noticed the lights and said they look brilliant. So there you go. She said they really, really liked the place up. And they have a nice ambience. And she could see it from the road, which is what we were trying to achieve too. Yeah.
And I just put the sign out across the road, and it looks fantastic. It looks so fantastic. I might even carry the camera over the road and then take a shot from the other side.
Yeah.
It looks really, really good.
Brilliant.
10 out of 10.
Goal achieved.
For satisfaction for me anyway.
Easily pleased.
It's only taken 3 months to get the ladders here.
That's alright.
Never mind. We get there in the end.
You do.
What you feel, I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect.
So what are you making there then, Trace?
my healthy matcha latte. It's my Sunday treat.
So we're doing matcha latte, and
Nice.
what are the other ones we're doing? We're doing
A beetroot and cacao superfood latte, and we do rooibos tea,
yeah.
which is really nice. So there is a cafe we know of that calls it a red cappuccino, which makes sense because it's all done with oat milk. We make these ones with, but you could make it with dairy too. I think.
We didn't discuss what we're on the cake counter either, did we? So you did the winter Victoria sandwich with figs and...
It's got figs, blackberries and cherries. So I know it's not really winter fruit, but it kind of looks wintry, I think.
Yeah.
Isn't it? With the blackberry jam as well. Biscoff, banana and chocolate chip loaves, which are really good, and they always go. Cherry pie bars, which I'm kind of hoping there might be one left so I can have one later with custard. And then the usual cakes then, really. Some energy balls, they're really nice. That's kind of it, really.
signs in. We're finished for the day. You looking forward to going home, Trace?
Yeah. It's getting warm.
Getting warm. Blimey, it's been freezing today. But quite a wind as well. Just going to clean the coffee machine out. And then we're going to pack up and go. Trace is on a mission now. Sunday. Head down. Packing up time, isn't it, Trace?
Yeah.
Right. What are we going to do this week is a bit of a treat.
Oh, marshmallows.
No, I mean for us.
Oh.
Because we always try and do something, don't we, on our day off. And like I was saying about getting those lights done, it means that we can do a little something. Last time round we went to
Soul Junction, which was lovely. Yeah.
we had a wander around there. So we'll pop over to Soul Junction at the end of this video.
Yeah.
And until next time, probably next week, something like that. We'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye bye. Should we just pop in there for some lunch before we get walking?
Definitely.
Yeah. We'll go and have a bit of lunch, won't we? Yeah. We like coming here from time to time to have a little wander around, don't we, Trace?
It's nice and peaceful here.
It's very peaceful. You do see some absolutely idyllic scenes, don't you? Thank you. Tracy has got a squeaky boot. And these people that are walking ahead of us just pointed it out.
I didn't know.
Let's keep walking. Better, wouldn't it, on there? Oh, it stopped now.
Carry on. Embarrassed. It stopped.
The boot got embarrassed, so it stopped squeaking. The sun is in the sky. Is it just 12 o'clock, something like that?
Must be better.
It's so low, it's shutting the camera down. Good picture. Under that tarp is a steamboat. Sabrina. Built in 1870, it says there.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.
We could see